Hi guys, here today we'll start with number of zeros at the end of the following results of expression. We have to determine the number of zeros at the end of the following results of expressions. So here are few expressions. First one is 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10 billion. Second expression is 5 factorial to the power 5 factorial plus 10 factorial to the power 10 factorial plus 50 factorial to the power 50 factorial plus 100 factorial to the power 100 factorial. Another expression is 10 into 100 into 1000 into 10 billion. Another expression is 2 to the power 222 into 3 to the power 333 into 4 to the power 444 into 5 to the power 555 into 6 to the power 666 into 7 to the power 777. So today we have to determine the number of zeros at the end of these following expressions. So hi guys and dolls, hope you all are enjoying my videos. Today we will start with a concept of numbers of zeros. So let's start here. Since we know that 10 is the multiple of 5 and 2, 100 is the multiple of 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, and 1000 is the multiple of 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. So we can say that for n number of zeros at the end of the product, we need exactly n combination of 5 into 2. That is, for example, we have the expression 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, which makes 210. Here we can say that there is only one combination of 2 and 5. So there is only one zero at the end of the product. So again, we can say that the expression like 2 into 3 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 15, which gives 18,900, which makes 20 at the end. Thus there are two zeros because there are two combination of 5 into 2. So again, one more example here we take. Here is 4 into 125 into 3 into 5, in which we can say that which makes 7,500, in which there are two zeros. Since there are two zeros because there are two combination of 5 and 2. So note that the number of the zeros at the end of the product depend upon 2 into 5, but the condition is, remember the condition, what are the condition is? First one is 2 to the power x into 5 to the power y gives x number of 0 if x is less than y. Another expression is 2 to the power x into 5 to the power y gives y number of zeros if x is greater than y. So remember these two conditions. For example, if we have 10 factorial, the value of 10 factorial becomes 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 till into 10. In the above expression, there are 2 5s and 8 2s. Since number of 5 are less than that of 2s, thus there are two zeros because there are two combination of 5 and 2. Also in example 2, in which we can say that we have sum of 10, 100, 1000 and 10 billion. In this case, we can say that 10 is in which there is 10 which occupies 10th place and 0 occupies unit place. Thus there is only one zero in this example. Moving to our next example, example 3, which is multiple of 10, 100, 1000 and 10 billion. In this expression, which can be written as 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 3 till 10 to the power 10, which can further be written as 10 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 10. So since the above expression makes 10 to the power 55, so we can say there are 55 zeros at the end of this expression. Moving to our next example, example 4, that is 2 to the power 222 into 2 to the power 333 into 4 to the power 444 till 7 to the power 777. In this case, we have 2 to the power 222, but there are 555 5s and 222 2s, but also we have 4 to the power 444 and 6 to the power 666, which can further be written as 2 to the power 888 and 2 to the power 666 into 3 to the power 666 respectively. So the combination becomes 2 to the power 1322 into 5 to the power 555. Since the number of 5s are less than that of 2s, so we can say that there are 555 zeros because there are 555 combination of 5 and 2. Moving to our next example, example 5, that is 5 factorial to the power 5 factorial plus 10 factorial to the power 10 factorial plus 50 factorial to the power 50 factorial plus 100 factorial to the power 100 factorial. In this case, in this expression, 5 factorial is equals to 120. Thus 120 to the power 120 will gives you 120 zeros. Thus the number of zeros at the end of 10 factorial to the power 10 factorial, 50 factorial to the power 50 factorial, 100 factorial to the power 100 factorial will be greater than 120. Since number of zeros at the end of the whole expression will depend on the number which has least number of zeros at the end of the number among other given numbers. So hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then hit like, comment and subscribe button. Please click bell icon so that you may get the notification of our next video. Thank you and keep watching.